Hello everyone, welcome to our second video lesson in the series Algebraic Simplification Part 2. In our first lesson, we looked at multiplication and division of algebraic terms. So if you missed the first lesson, you need to watch it to better understand this lesson. In today's lesson, we'll be looking at order of operations. Now, consider the expression 17 minus 5 multiplied by 2. What will be the value of this expression when simplified? It is possible to get different answers depending on the approach used. So let's consider two different approaches. In method 1, we take the first operation. So we have 17 minus 5 multiplied by 2. So we do 17 minus 5 first. 17 take away 5, we have 12. So we have 12 multiplied by 2, which is 24. So by taking the first operation, we have 24. Method 2. 17 minus 5 multiplied by 2. So we take the second operation, which is 5 multiplied by 2 first. So 5 multiplied by 2, we have 10. Then we also have our 17. So we have 17 minus 10, which is 7. Okay, now, so we see the difference. Now, the two answers depend on which operation is carried out first, either subtraction or multiplication. Now, from these two results, either both answers are wrong or one answer is wrong and the other one correct. But both of them cannot be correct. Now, to avoid this confusion and bring about uniformity in our answers, the following rules must always be observed. Whenever we're given an expression like this, if there are no brackets, do multiplication or division before addition and subtraction. That's rule number 1. Now, rule number 2, if there are brackets, carry out the operation in the bracket first. Now, these rules have been summarized to the acronym we're familiar with, which is BODMAS. Now, the B stands for brackets, the O of, D division, M multiplication, A addition, and S subtraction. Now that simplifies the order in which operations ought to be carried out. What that means is we do the operations in the bracket, then followed by division, multiplication, addition, then subtraction. Alright, so let's quickly apply this onto some examples. Example 1, find the value of the following. 1. 16 divided by 2 minus 3 multiplied by 2. 2. 4 multiplied by 5 plus 8 divided by 4. 3. 4 multiplied by 6 minus, open bracket, 7 minus 3, close bracket. 4. 6 multiplied by 2 minus 2 minus 40 divided by 4. Alright, so our solution, number 1. 16 divided by 2 minus 3 multiplied by 2. Now, what operations do we have from the expression? We have division, we have subtraction, and we have multiplication. According to our rules of operation, we're expected to do the division and multiplication before subtraction. What that means is we're going to have 16 divided by 2, which will give us 8. Then 3 multiplied by 2, which will give us 6. So we have 8 minus 6. And 8 minus 6 is equal to 2. Example 2, 4 multiplied by 5 plus 8 divided by 4. This is similar to the first one. We have multiplication and we have division. So we simply do 8 divided by 4, which is 2, and 4 multiplied by 5, which is 20. Then we add both of them together, 20 plus 2, that is 22. Example 3, we have 4 multiplied by 6 minus, open bracket, 7 minus 3, close bracket. In this case, we have a bracket, so it means that we take the operation first in the bracket. So we have 7 minus 3, which is 4, while we have 4 multiplied by 6 on the outside. Then we carry out the operation of multiplication, which is 4 multiplied by 6. That will give us 24. So we have 24 minus 4, which will give us 20. In number 4, we have 6 multiplied by 2 minus 2 minus 40 divided by 4. So in this case, we do the division operation first. 40 divided by 4 is 10. 6 multiplied by 2 is 12. So we have 12 minus 2 minus 10. 12 minus 2 gives us 10 minus 10. So 10 minus 10, we have 0. Okay, so that was just to help us refresh on order of operation with respect to BODMAS. Now, we're going to look at more examples which will involve algebraic expressions. Example 2. Simplify the following. 1. 3k multiplied by 2 plus 5k. 2. 17y minus 5y multiplied by 2. 3. 7z divided by z plus 5. 4. 15 divided by 5 plus 6y. 5. 24a divided by 6 plus a plus 1 multiplied by 5a. 6. 5 multiplied by 6b minus 4b multiplied by 0 minus 7b multiplied by 4. Alright, so our solution will look like this. To number 1, we have 3k multiplied by 2 plus 5k. So we carry out the multiplication operation first. So we're going to have 2 multiplied by 3k to give us 6k, then plus 5k. Now 6k plus 5k would give us 11k. Number 2, we have 7y minus 5y multiplied by 2. The same as number 1. So we carry out the multiplication operation first. So we're going to have 5y multiplied by 2 to give us 10y. So we have 7y minus 10y. Now this is a case of subtracting a large number from a small number. So it means our result would be minus 3y. In number 3, we have 7z divided by z plus 5. Also, we carry out the division operation first. So we have 7z divided by z. Z will divide z and you're left with 7. Then plus 5. Note that we've treated division of algebraic terms in the previous lesson. So if you missed that lesson, you need to watch that lesson to understand how we do these divisions. So 7 plus 5 would give us 12. In number 4, we have 15 divided by 5 plus 6y. So we carry out the division operation again. 15 divided by 5 is 3 plus 6y. Now this is a number 3 plus 6y. We can't add 3 to 6y, so our answer remains 3 plus 6y. And in number 5, we have 24a divided by 6 plus a plus 1 multiplied by 5a. So we carry out the division operation and the multiplication operation first. So 24a divided by 6 will give us 4a, and then 1 multiplied by 5a leaves us with 5a. So we have this expression 4a plus a plus 5a. So when we add 4a to a, it gives us 5a. 5a plus 5a, our result is 10a. Number 6, 5 multiplied by 6b minus 4b multiplied by 0 minus 7b multiplied by 4. So in this case, we have multiplication operations in 3 places. So we'll do all the multiplications first. So we have 5 multiplied by 6b to give us 30b, then 4b multiplied by 0 to give us 0, and then 7b multiplied by 4 to give us 28b. So in the end, we have 30b minus 0 minus 28b. So 30b minus 28b leaves us with 2b. Now a quick exercise to see how we understand these concepts. Exercise 1. Find the value of the following. Okay, so there you have them. And exercise 2, simplify the following. Alright. So in our next lesson, we'll be looking at removing brackets. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to this channel for notifications on our next lesson. See you then.